care and maintenance for the Model 50P Flex.
Powernail pneumatic nailers are high-quality tools designed for installing a professional quality floor. With just a little attention to the maintenance of your tool, your power nailer will operate trouble-free and keep you running with a minimum of downtime. Unload the nails from the nail channel after every use. Apply 3 to 4 drops of Mobile DTE Light Air Tool Oil into the air inlet after every 8 hours of use. Then reconnect the air. Dry fire the empty nailer 3 to 4 times to circulate applied oil throughout the nailer. Always connect air before loading the nailer. After connecting air, load cleats in the nail clip. For continuous feed and trouble-free usage, always keep the nail channel full. After every use, visually inspect the nailer for loose or broken parts. Examine the trigger, the cap, the body, the adapter foot with pad, and the nail channel. Connect an air supply to check for any air leakage around the nailer cap. Use compressed air to blow away excess dirt or dust off the nailer. Wipe off tool with a clean, dry rag. Remember to drain your compressor regularly and to care and maintain your compressor according to manufacturer specifications.